Здравейте, сладурчета мои! Намирам се в Калифорния на Offroad Експото в Помона, което включва мощни и разтърсващи земята изпълнения. Множество шоута и професионални пилоти в специално подготвени състезателни автомобили ще допринесат за нашето добро настроение и ще ни донесат много екшън и зрелище от световна класа. Елате с мен да проверим това!
Feeling's crazy. My buddy, so I've gotten the chance to do it already, but yeah, Darren's the homie. So yeah, man, it's crazy. It's a great feeling. If anyone ever gets the chance to.
I can't believe that I'm here and I can see this monster in person. This is absolutely amazing.
This is a 1994 Ford Bronco that has 40-inch tires and trophy truck shocks. And LS 440 cubic inch engine. Colhane 480 transmission, big 10-inch ring gear rear ends, trophy truck hubs, brakes. And the only thing we keep is the factory Ford Bronco body. So that's all that's left of the Bronco, is just the body.
Do you know how many people can't wait to see when you turn on the engine?
Just go, it's gonna be great, huh?
How the idea was born?
Ryan wanted a really badass Bronco, so he came to me and said, I want you to build the baddest thing you can build. And I said, okay, let's do it. So that's what we're doing. This Bronco is the first Bronco we've been able to build from the ground up. Totally new, custom, everything designed from scratch.